Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Porsche Cayenne door. Opening your Porsche Cayenne door is a straightforward process, designed for convenience and security. Most modern Cayenne models feature keyless entry, allowing you to simply approach the vehicle with your key fob. Once you grasp the door handle, the car should automatically unlock, providing seamless access to the luxurious interior. This system makes entering your vehicle quick and effortless, whether your hands are full or you are in a hurry. Your Porsche Cayenne key fob offers two primary ways to unlock the doors. The most common method is pressing the unlock button, which remotely disengages the central locking system. However, if your key fob battery is low or fails, a mechanical key is cleverly integrated within the fob. Simply slide the small release button on the fob to extract this physical key. Then, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's door to manually unlock and open the vehicle. Once inside your Porsche Cayenne, opening the door is equally simple. Just pull the interior door handle, usually located on the armrest, and the door will unlatch and swing open. For families, it is important to remember the child safety locks on the rear doors. These small levers, found on the door's edge when open, prevent children from opening the doors from the inside, ensuring their safety during travel. Always check these settings before driving with young passengers. If you encounter difficulty opening your Porsche Cayenne door, a few simple checks can help. First, ensure there are no physical obstructions preventing the door from swinging open. Sometimes, a low or dead car battery can affect the electronic locking system, making the key fob ineffective. In such cases, the mechanical key is essential. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting steps or specific emergency release instructions for your particular model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.